So here's some of the Vandas I have in bloom right now, either in bloom or in spike. As you can see, I got some spikes, and this bloom right here. This is Vanda MV Tannins. This here is Brighton's Best. It's just coming into bloom. This is your species tessellata. You saw this in my previous video. This is actually a hybrid between tessellata, Brunia, and Luzonica. I don't remember the name, but it is really beautiful and very fragrant. This is Basco Vivum Velvet. Super colors on that one. Here we're going to take it down. Here's the other tessellata hybrid that I showed you on the video before. This is Vandacostylus Claire Florist. And here's a neat little hybrid. This is done by the Motes family. This is it's the first bloom on this. I'm pretty happy with it. It's got 5 blooms on the first bloom, so I'm pretty happy with it. I can't remember the name. I'll have to look here. It's Vietnamica and Motes Ruby Pixie. So pretty neat. And there's a Trichoglatis down there. Trichoglatis fasciata. Very fragrant. We'll go around over here. Here's some of my bromeliads and stuff. My rubber plant. Here's another nice spike coming here. Here is another MV Tannins. These are seedlings, so they're all different. There is a clone out there that I have spiking right now, but it is not in bloom yet. And here's a hybrid between the Denisoniana hybrid. It's nice, fragrant, great color on it. I can't remember the name. I'll have to post the name in the comments. Here's another one, Vanda Molt's Golden Imp, I think. Super duper plant. I mean, this thing blooms probably 4 times a year. It's fragrant. It's only got 2 blooms left on it. It's the end of its cycle. And here's a nice little plant I picked up. This is Vanda curvifolum times Denisoniana. So you can see it's definitely got the color from the curvifolum and some of the tessellations, and then it's got some of the lip from the Denisoniana. And it's really nice. And then here's some more spikes coming here on this plant. You know, some of these plants get a little bit of yellow on them. That's okay. That's just from too much light. Here's a tessellata hybrid. It's just coming into bloom. One of my favorites. It's really neat. And here's another. Here's an orange one here. Fuchs Sunglow. And this one is pretty spectacular. This is an Arides species, Arides rosea. Look how long that spike is. Woo! And it is super fragrant.